Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, pretty soon it's St. Patrick's Day, and that means leprechauns. And so today we're going to do a very simple leprechaun that you can do at home. And you can pick up this kit at the library to make your leprechaun at home. So we're going to start with a white circle. Then we need to add a beard and hair to this leprechaun. And we're going to cut it so it looks more like hair. Cut it all around. Then we need to add his hat. And the band on his hat. And we'll add a little piece of gold. Let's add some more glue to this stick. I will put a shamrock because shamrocks are lucky for St. Patrick's Day. Then, of course, our leprechaun needs some eyes. So we have some stickers for eyes. And I'm going to put some eyeballs in there just to make it a little more exciting. You can draw a nose. Oh, sorry. There we go. You can draw a nose, or you could make a nose with the stickers. Let's draw him a mouth. And there we have a little leprechaun for you to decorate for Valentine's, or sorry, for St. Patrick's Day. And that would make you a lucky leprechaun. We'll see you soon. And you might want to say this before you go. A leprechaun is small and green. He hides where he cannot be seen. But if you catch one on this day, he must give his gold away. So hopefully you can catch a leprechaun and he will give you his gold. Goodbye.